Let's see how I do this question. Okay, we see that will A have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 choices, and will B has 6 choices. Okay, so each one is rotated. So the possible outcomes is 5 times 6. There are 30 possible outcomes. Okay, now I just do part 2. Okay, I do not draw the table. Okay, the product of the numbers obtained is at least 45. You see that if this one is 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's never greater than or equal to 45. Okay, 3 times 8 is 24. 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, so 1, 3, and 5, no case. 6, okay, 6. 6, I know that the first case is 6 times 8. Okay, and any other case? No. How about 9? 9 can times 5 is at least 45. Okay, 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, there are only 3 cases. Okay, so for A2, 3 over 30, that is 1 over 10. Okay, you see that? Okay, there's no need to draw the table if it is ask you a few cases, but you see that in part 1 there are many cases, so you either list all of them. Okay, you may list all of them. Okay, I clean it here. Okay, I clean it here. You will list all the case less than 15. 1 times 1, 1 times, sorry, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, 1 times 5, 1 times 8. Okay, and then 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4. You have to less than 15. 3 times 5 is just 15, so not correct. Okay, and then 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3 is not okay. 6 times 1, 6 times 2. Okay, 9 times 1. Okay, you see that altogether 15 cases. Okay, so 15 cases. So for this case, if you don't draw the table, you still have to list 15 cases. Okay, so it is much better. Sometimes you may miss some cases. Okay, sorry, some cases, so better draw the table. Okay, I will not do part B. And then the next question, this question, sometimes some student cannot do part B. Okay, see here, x, the first one is radius is, okay, the first one radius is x is less than 12. The second one is 12. Okay, this one is 12. Okay, and the third one is z is greater than 12. Okay, and then we know that for part, we said that the expected score is 0. Okay, so you can list the probability hitting region 1, area of region 1, area of region 2, and area of region 3. So the probability, okay, region 1, you got 1 point. Region 2, you got 0 points. Region 3, you got minus 4 points. Then you get this one. Okay, it is not important here because most students can do it. Find the possible integral values of x and c. That is, I want to find integer x and z, okay? You know that x is equals to root 4z squared minus 144. And you know that z must be greater than 12. So you take z equals to 13. And therefore x equals to root 4 13 squared minus 144, okay, for 25, okay, that is 10. Okay, x is 10, which is less than 12, and z is 13, which is greater than 12. Okay, so this one is correct. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, and then you try another one. Okay, take z equals to 14, and then x equals to root 4 times 14 squared minus 144. So it is root 4. This is 52. Okay, so this one is greater than root, okay, I write short here. This one is greater than root 144. Okay, this is about 200 because it is greater than 12. That is greater than 12. So no, this case wrong x. So there's no more x because you take 15, x will be larger. So there's only